Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into making money online for free. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking to make extra cash, this video will guide you through 5 ways to start earning without spending a dime. We'll cover freelancing, online surveys, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and content creation. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to making money online in 2024 without any upfront investment. Let's get started. Let's start with freelancing. If you have a skill, writing, graphic design, web development, or voice acting, there's a market for it online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. On Upwork, create a profile detailing your skills, experience, and rates. Fiverr lets you create gigs outlining your services and prices. Both platforms are user-friendly and commission-based, so there's no upfront cost. To maximize earnings, build a strong portfolio and gather positive reviews. Diversify your offerings to appeal to a broader audience. Join freelancing communities to network and stay motivated. If you have a monetizable skill, freelancing is a fantastic way to start making money online for free. Just create a profile, market your services, and start earning. Next up, online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks and SurveyJunkie pay you for sharing your opinions. Sign up, complete your profile, and start taking surveys. Swagbucks offers multiple ways to earn points, redeemable for gift cards or PayPal cash. SurveyJunkie focuses on surveys, paying in points convertible to cash or gift cards. While not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a simple way to earn extra money. Consistency is key. The more surveys you complete, the more you earn. Sign up for multiple survey sites for a steady stream of surveys. Fill out your profile accurately to receive higher-paying surveys. Take advantage of bonuses for daily logins or milestones. If you're looking for a low-effort way to make extra cash, give online surveys a try. Now let's dive into affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank. Once approved, get access to products to promote with unique affiliate links. Share these links on your blog, social media, or through email marketing. Choose products relevant to your audience to increase sales. Create valuable content like product reviews, how-to guides, or recommendations. Disclose your affiliate links to build trust and comply with regulations. Affiliate marketing requires patience and persistence, but can become a lucrative source of passive income. Start by joining affiliate programs, creating valuable content, and promoting products that resonate with your audience. It's a powerful way to make money online without creating your own product. Another great way to make money online for free is by selling digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, printables, or templates. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it easy to reach a global audience without upfront costs. Once created, digital products can generate passive income. For example, create an ebook or online course if you're knowledgeable about photography. Etsy is popular for selling printables and digital downloads. Gumroad is excellent for selling ebooks and courses. Create high-quality content that provides value to your customers. Market your digital products using social media, email marketing, and SEO. If you have valuable knowledge or skills, consider creating and selling digital products. It's a scalable way to earn money online with minimal effort once products are created. Finally, let's talk about content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and blogging offer opportunities to make money online. Create valuable content to generate income through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Start a YouTube channel and monetize videos through Google AdSense. TikTok creators make money through brand partnerships and the TikTok Creator Fund. Blogging attracts readers and monetizes through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Consistency and providing value are key to successful content creation. Focus on delivering helpful, entertaining, or inspiring content. Building a loyal audience takes time but is worth it. Once you have a dedicated following, monetization opportunities are endless. Choose a platform that suits your style, start creating content, and watch your audience and income grow. And there you have it, folks. 5 ways to start making money online for free. Whether you choose freelancing, online surveys, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or content creation, there's an opportunity for everyone. The key is to take action and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, like, Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep hustling and stay motivated.